Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add cards in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want to promote videos, playlists, links, and improve watch time, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open YouTube Studio and sign into your channel. So this is where you manage all your videos and settings. Next, go to the content section and choose the video where you want to add cards. You can edit existing uploads anytime. So click the video details page and open the editor tab. This is where you manage cards and end screens. Now click add card. YouTube allows you to add video cards, playlist cards, channel cards, and approved website links. So select a related video or playlist that matches your content. Relevant cards usually get more clicks. Next, place the card at the right moment in the video. Timing matters because viewers should see the card naturally. So customize the teaser text to make viewers curious. A strong call to action can improve clicks. Now preview your video to make sure the card appears correctly. So once everything looks good, click Save. Finally, use cards strategically to guide viewers to more content. This can increase watch time and channel growth. And that's how to add cards in YouTube Studio in 2026. Once you use cards properly, you can promote more content and keep viewers engaged longer. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more YouTube tutorials.